It was a pretty simple vision behind the project when it started. So it was really looking at all of the opportunities that decentralization and Web3 provide, and realizing that with the traditional blockchain, with everything being fully public on chain, that's going to be really limiting for the adoption of Web3 to a wider audience. And so bringing privacy into Web3 to really release those limitations that, early blockchains had.
The Oasis network, or more generally like the whole Oasis ecosystem, at its core, it's a layer 1 network that provides like this root of trust for everything that happens above that, right? So it's this network layer that makes sure that all the computations are done correctly, and above it we have cool technology like Sapphire, which is this confidential EVM runtime that enables private smart contracts compatible with Ethereum, so that existing dApp developers that are familiar with like Solidity and all of the Ethereum tooling can just easily use that same knowledge and same tools on Sapphire. And obviously, going beyond that, it's also about these cross-chain applications, so how to bring confidentiality features so that they're not like siloed and limited to just our network, but offering it also to other networks, to other chains, to other projects, really focusing on the user experience, on the developer experience to make it seamless.
We are not catering just to Oasis ecosystem, but we want to go beyond that and cater to all Ethereum chains and projects that want to integrate privacy by making it as simple as just like plug in. OPL will enable their developers to stay on their home chain and then just leverage Sapphire to do the confidential parts in Sapphire, and then in return the results of a message passing bridge back to the home chain.
We really believe in this vision that like privacy is a basic human right, and we need to make it also easily accessible to both developers and users. It needs to be like seamless, it needs to be the default, and since there's like a multitude of use cases, it also needs to be flexible. So like some use cases require privacy for some things and like a different amount of privacy and so on. But then this is something that we can enable right through our offerings, that we can really have this flexibility and to enable developers to actually make it happen, right? And build cool use cases on top of our core technology.